everybody, this is Sherry from Share Bear Cottage, and it's good to be back today. Today's Sunday for me. It'll probably be Monday for you. Anyway, I wanted to show you the final product that we have on that using up your 12 by 12 papers, single-sided papers. Okay, so I have number 1 and number 2 videos already up, and this will be number 3 and the final product. Okay, what I want to show you is I've got 4 adorable journals here, and they can be used for, you know, your personal journals, something to carry in your pocket, not your pocket, your purse, your car, your backpack, or you could keep them by your nightstand, you know, and use them as your prayer journal. So let's just look real quick. I didn't really do any decorating inside, except I am going to put a couple pockets maybe inside. Maybe, I don't know. I think they'd be good just like they are, with different kinds of paper in them that can be taken out and put back in something else. You can put something else in. When you fill up a page, you can replace it. And then I'm going to include some small pieces. Let me go get them. Okay, these are little, well, I call them, you know, like personal prompts, you know, like for a prayer journal. In other words, what I would do is inside the journal, there's a pocket here and a pocket here. Now, what you can do is you can make, you know, a prayer pocket out of whichever one you want. The first page, I mean the first or the last, or you can even, you know, take a page inside here and put a pocket in it and make it your prayer pocket. But what I do is, you know, I take a few of these, and then the people or the things or places that I want to pray for, especially, I would write their name on this. I'd keep the blanks in here, and I put their name on it, and I put it in here. And then when, or however many, maybe I have 10 people I'm praying for, I put their names on here, and after I'm done praying for them, then I'll move it from one side to the other, something like that. Or you can move it from the front to the back. But I will include these, and I will include a little placard or label or something, and it will say prayer pocket, but I won't put it on the front or the back. I would let the new owner put it where they wanted to put it. And if they just wanted to use the journal as a journal, that's fine too. Oh, I was just going to flip through the pages. There's really no decorating on these pages. They're just, you know, little pieces of different papers that I had. And, you know, you can take them out and move them. You know, I will turn this one into a knot and have it like that. There's 2 signatures in each journal. And, you know, they all have similar types of paper. This one has an envelope. You put things in the envelope. You decorate it up. Yeah, you could decorate all of these up, you know, the way you'd like to. That'd be fun. And, you know, put your items in there. And that's pretty much that for that one. Now this one is, this one has a little heart I put on, a little fabric, not a collage, a little fabric, can't think of the word. And then I put this little pin that I made. It has a little ladybug on it and some pearls and a flower, and then teeny tiny little tag there with a heart on it. So that's one. And here's another one. I think this is the first one I made, and so I put a dangle here. It has a puzzle piece and cardstock piece of music, some lace, and a street name. And then two tiny, oh my goodness, am I out of frame? Let's do that again. And, okay, stop. Okay, I'm going to try to do that part over because I was completely out of frame. So this has a little fabric and lace. You can call it a collage with a button. There's a little heart here, and the dangle that I made has a teeny tiny little tag there, and then a little what's that called? Pearls, and a little ladybug there. And let's look inside. Inside we have our pocket up here, and this will have the papers for your prayers. And then I already showed you the inside of this one, so it has a music tag back here that you can cut up. You can cut this up and make yourself more prayer tags. Sure. I think I have a tag in the front too. You know, you can do that, or you can use this tag to keep your place. Okay, so that's one. Okay, and this one's two. Have a little lady here. Well, she's a young girl, I guess. She's not that old. Ooh. Here we go. I'm trying to get in the right frame. And I have a little bit of lace behind her picture, which I've mounted, and a little bit of lace and a button here. This is the gray piece with the pearls inside, and the pocket up front, and the pocket in the back. And I haven't put anything in here yet, but these papers will go in for your prayer request if that's what you're going to use it for. And then, you know, this has, you know, another, this right here is a, it was a envelope, which I split in half, and some dark paper, and some note paper, and some paper like this, and, you know, just little pieces of paper. And then the second signature, you know, oh, it has a little yellow envelope here, and I turned them inside out. I coffee dyed them and turned them inside out. And then here we go, all different coffee dyed papers, and yeah, all of this, and the other half of the envelope, and then another place for a tag or a tuck. Okay, now it's the second one. Now this one I think was the first one I made. I put a dangle on it. It has a puzzle piece with a dragonfly on it, cardstock, and then music paper, some lace, and a street sign. Oop, got it stuck. And the down here we have some tags, and I put a little piece of lace on them, but the tags are glued down, and then the acetate window with the picture in it. And then the different kinds of paper are in here too. Just, you know, little pieces, things to write on. Here's one with a little pocket right here. A little tuck right here. I might do this to the rest of them. This one has a swing out with a place for a tag or paper, something you're writing on. More writing space. That's an old book. An old piece of ledger in the back. More paper, coffee dyed papers. This one has a little hole here. I put that hole in there. And piece of paper with lace. Here's a little birdie. That's a tuck. You know, you can tuck stuff in here. Or a card or something. Same here. We can put this one over here. Yeah. That's a tuck, and here's another tuck. I think I glued this down now. Did I? No, I didn't glue it down. I just thought I glued it down. I was going to glue it down just two sides to make that a tuck. I'll fix that because I do want it to be a tuck. I'll push that there like that. Some more paper, writing paper. Book page, and then your pocket back here. This one here in the front doesn't have, it just has a little tuck space like this. You can put something in there, but remember, whatever you put in here is going to show through this window when you close the book. Okay, that's the second one. I mean the third one. They all have the same kind of closure. And then this one here is the last one. Did a little dangle here. It says create. Has a flower on it and just a little flag. A little collage here with the button and some cheesecloth and some lace. Book page behind this picture. Yep. And inside, of course, we've got, you know, pocket here, and same kind of, you know, pages, and once in a while there'll be a pocket, and two signatures. But you can take all this in and out as you're at your leisure. But these another one that I turned inside out. What I'm going to do with the ties here is I'm going to, instead of have it as a bow, I'm going to tie it just a little tighter, and I'm going to make it a knot so that it'll stay. Right over left and left over right makes a square knot. A square knot, I've been told, won't come out so easy. And then we cut that off. Then it's pretty much, you know, in there pretty good, you know, for both of them. And in the middle here, I've done the same thing, but I'm going to cut a little bit more off of this. I might even dab these with a piece of, with a bit of glue. So that's basically, guys, how they all came out. And what fun to use up those papers, you know, that we have. We just haven't used them, or for some reason. And, you know, and decorate them up. And you can make prayer journals, or you can make just regular journals. And you can, of course, this one I sewed around all the way around. And this one here, I also sewed around this one, did not sew around this one. And you can, you know, put the signatures in with the 3-hole punch. You don't have to do them this way. I just thought this would be a good way to keep these, you know, together easily. You know, it's right there. You don't have to mess. You don't have to untie. And you don't have to drop it, you know, all those things. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and I'll put these up in my Etsy shop. I swear I'm going to do that one of these days. As soon as I can stand behind the camera and get, you know, the shots in that I need to get in, I'm gonna get I have a whole bag of journals and things to put on my Etsy store. So I will be getting those in. Oh, it's just been a real struggle. So be patient with me. They'll all be in there. And I hope you enjoy that. And I'll see you on the next video. I have something I've been playing with and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, bye bye.